The tale of Sonam and Lobsang, two beacons of hope, echoes through the mountains. People dealing with their struggles come seeking the wisdom that transformed Sonam and Lobsang. A traveler marked by the winds of misfortune approaches the sanctuary. Sonam and Lobsang sit serenely, anticipating the hearts they will enlighten. In a voice weighed down by loss, the traveler unfolds his tale of sorrow. Lobsang attentively hears the traveler's tales of hardship.
By practicing Buddha's teachings, especially the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, we can learn how to face life's challenges and find opportunities for growth and liberation within suffering.
Sonam, sharing wisdom under the open sky, speaks of Dharma's path. Mindfulness and compassion are the keys he offers the traveler.
Through mindfulness and compassion, we can gradually let go of our inner burdens, embark on a new journey, and move towards a brighter and more peaceful life.
Embraced by a comforting hope, the traveler decides to make the monastery his temporary home. Guided by Sonam and Lobsang, the traveler engages wholeheartedly in the teachings of Dharma. As the days pass, a noticeable shift occurs within him, marking the transformative power of his spiritual practice. The traveler, invigorated by newfound purpose, strides confidently along the trail. Under the watchful eyes of Sonam and Lobsang, their kindness and insight cascade through the landscape, reaching hearts far and wide. Sonam and Lobsang, robed in maroon, dedicate themselves to the ancient texts. With great reverence, they trace the scriptures, each character a whisper of tradition. Incense ignites, sending spirals of smoke into the sky, symbolizing prayers ascending to the divine. Guiding their pupils, they become beacons of light, leading others towards enlightenment.